part, it's part 3 now. So, we had a Captain America Bulletin Texas.
Hindi pa pinapatayan. Ha? Uy!
Then that is all of
Hello,
Captain America's part. Yes, it is.
Sanding ka
true.
na?
Who's on the phone, Papa?
My sweetheart.
Okay. It's our mother.
Paano yan? Wala natulog.
Ah!
Tatablay mo na kayo.
Ah!
Wala na tayong ano.
Oo naman po, Papi. Okay. This is Captain America's cool head like that. Hey! Hey, stop! Hey! Don't affect me! Don't listen to him. He's a bad boy.
Dito, hindi nagbuhos. Eh, ikaw magpa-flash ka, ha?
Look at this. It's like a handbag full of bagay. So, bye-bye. The video recording is finished.